Hi everyone, Mr. Regan here, and we're going to be looking at how to navigate through my Haiku page so that you can access resources that you need, assignments that we're working on, and any other information that's going to help make you successful and understand what's expected of you in science class. So when we access my Haiku or Power Learning page, the first page you'll be taken to is the Welcome to Science page. This is kind of a page for all the basic information you need to know about my class. Sort of like, for example, the very first one, this is a welcome message for you guys. This is my syllabus that you can click through to see kind of what's expected of you in class. We have a quick QR code scanner if you need my quick email and contact information, a heads up about my coaching responsibilities, what I do in my after school hours, and then obviously our science lesson snapshots, kind of what we're going to be doing throughout the year there, all there. So again, you can quickly get any information to and from me about big things about like assignments and such. So that's the welcome page. The next page you'll see is the Science Quarter 1 navigation page. And if you click on this, a few things are going to happen. Number one, it's going to take you to the navigation page for the first quarter. And the second thing you'll see is a bunch of weeks kind of pop up underneath it. So if you notice, the Haiku page is set up based on date. So depending on when we do our activities and assignments, you should be able to click on each of the different weeks to access the specific dates and days of our assignments. On the navigation page, you'll see a few things. Number one, you'll see the assignment directory here. This is all the assignments that we have done with the assignment dates when we worked on them up to about the due date of them. Remember, we're a block schedule, so some of these dates might look a little weird, but remember, each of our days kind of alter when you're in class and when you're not. Nonetheless, this is a quick page to find links to your assignments that you've been working on or things that we've done in class. These can also be found in PowerSchool if you need more of a direct link to your based on your grades. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you've clicked on the navigation video guide here. And then on the right side, you have other video guides for things that are important, like how to find a shareable link that deals with turning in assignments for our class, and then how to navigate PowerSchool. In that case, like what sort of things you'll find in PowerSchool that you'll need to be able to access quickly and easily to understand your grades. So that's the navigation page. From there, let's say you have a specific week that we're working in. Let's say maybe it's week 1. If you click on that link, this will take you to a resource page. So the resource page has a breakdown of our class schedule in this case. It has some videos here to help you with passing periods, our obviously running clock. And then there is our Chromebook issue walkthrough here that will kind of show you what to do if you're having Chromebook problems, who to contact, and that sort of stuff. Again, quick, easy access to information that you might need as you go through our different activities and lessons and such. From there, you'll notice that underneath that week, you have the individual days. They're broken up by our block schedule. So for example, that Monday, we know we don't have a block schedule. We have a normal schedule, but then you see Tuesday, Wednesday, that's our first set of block days. And then Thursday, Friday is our second. So let's go ahead and click on one of the days. Let's say maybe Tuesday. And this is the lesson page. The lesson page is broken down by, number one, what kind of day it's going to be. So this is a Zoom day. You'll have to log in for Zoom. On non-Zoom days, obviously, you won't need to. You'll still complete the lesson directions, homework, due dates, and I've obviously look at any important notes I have. So in the lesson directions, hopefully it will break down kind of what you need to do for the day. It'll explain what your homework is and when it's due, along with having links to our Zoom and the actual activity that you're doing. So if you're somebody who's coming to class, you can click on to the day's lesson, kind of see what we're doing, get an idea what your homework is beforehand. You can then click on the activity that you'll know you'll be working on, and then obviously there's a Zoom link if you want to start class with us. In terms of homework, you'll notice that obviously we have a description here of the assignments we're working on, and then we have a due date. This is going to be a very common due date you see with block schedule next time I see you, because remember, this is a lesson page for 2 working block days, along with some specific notes. And then you'll even find some resources or activities that we're using within the actual day's lesson. So that's how you break down the different quarter, week, and days lessons, and then what you'll find in each one. If you have specific questions on where to find things, or if you're having trouble navigating the overall page, please contact me. Otherwise, have a great rest of your day.